to know how to turn a sunny day into a rainy one? It's really simple. If you're interested, just keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Editor. Click here to create a new project. Choose the main footage you want to use. Here, we select this leaf footage. Let's play it a bit to check the footage. It looks sunny. First, click on Effect. Then select Video Effect. Now click on Rainstorm, and the effect will be applied to the video. As you can see, the rain effect has been added to the video. But it still looks like a clear day, and the raindrops don't seem natural enough. Let's extend the duration of the effect a little, and then cut and delete the excess part of the video. Next, click on Adjustment Parameters, and tweak the parameters until the effect looks more natural on the screen. Once done, return to the main menu. Choose Global Filter. Click New Filter. Select Movies. Then choose Seaside Movies 4. Adjust the filter intensity a bit. Look, doesn't it look much better now? Now, go back to the previous menu. Choose New Adjust. Lower the brightness a little. Reduce the saturation a bit. And decrease light sensation as well. No need to follow my exact settings. Adjust according to your footage. Slide left to find vignettings. Add a bit of vignetting. Then increase particle a bit. Let's compare. The effect looks great. Finally, click here to export the video. And we now have a rainy video. Wasn't that super simple? Now, download VideoProc Editor and try it yourself.